Hello, my name is Adidu and I wanted to talk to you about what you need to know when buying VTuber models. This is coming from my experience as a VTuber model artist and from working with riggers along with doing some rigging myself. So first things first, you have to understand the differences between your artist and your rigger. Your artist will be handling your PSD or your Photoshop document with all the layers containing your VTuber model artwork. Your rigger will be handling moving all of these pieces, and they will need to be working closely together so that the pieces match with what the rigger needs. First, let's go over what artists need to do for expressions. Expressions will be mostly handled by the rigger using the already existing pieces such as the eyebrows, mouth, and eyes. They'll change it via deformers and it'll kind of mimic this expression. For example, they'll change the angle of the eyebrows. However, artists can choose to add expression guides, which I like to do, and that's basically you help draw in a little guideline where the eyebrows should be placed in this angry face, and that way the riggers know where they can follow along to put the eyebrow when deforming. Another part for artists would be adding in the little parts of the expressions that may need extra pieces, such as hearts in the eyes, or sparkles, or stars. These are all extra pieces that must be added by the artist itself, and the rigger will be using an opacity toggle in order to have them activate. So for example, if I were to have these sparkles in the eyes, the rigger would take this layer and they would change it from 0 opacity to 100% opacity within Live 2D. But you do need the sparkle layer to exist in order to have this expression. This opacity rule goes for any toggles that you may want on your model. For example, any ear toggles such as this. Any changes in the ears will also need to have its own layer unless directed by the rigger. This is why your rigger also needs to work closely with your artist in order to figure out which parts and pieces are needed so that the rigging process can go smoothly. Other pieces could be accessory changes, hairstyle changes, and any outfit changes. Something that you may want to note is that new outfits on your models will use your original PSD unless you would like a brand new model, but the rigger could send you new model files. For example, for my own outfits, I chose to have a separate model from my base model so that I could handle the expressions and the movements differently. So this is my usual model, but if I were to switch models, I also have my summer version, and I would load it in like this, and this is where my summer version model is. As you can see, it has a different default stage. This is an older model, and I have another outfit on with different accessories, and then this one comes with its own toggles, like so. So I just wanted to add in one more tip, is that when you are buying VTuber models, it's good to look into what you're buying. I would recommend watching some tutorials on cutting videos or live 2D animation videos, or just taking a look at some artists and riggers workflow so you understand what kind of effort is being put into your model and the different parts and pieces that you may need. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps on your VTubing journey. I wish you the best of luck. Bye bye. Sayonara.